Sound cycling. 3 main stages of learning to ride a bike with me, Eleanor, using clips of one of my adult learners. 1. Striding. 2. Balancing. And 3. Pedaling. Striding. You sit on the saddle and walk the bike. Gradually you find you can let it glide between steps, the beginnings of balance. Balancing. In the next stage, a slope allows you to move along without using your feet, so you can hold them off the ground. When you can do this confidently, you are ready for pedaling. It's thrilling to pedal now that you know how to balance on and control the bike. There is still plenty of fine-tuning to do, but you are well on your way to becoming a cyclist. A whole new world is opening up for you. This video just gives a brief insight into the step-by-step learning process at Sound Cycling, tailored to you. Contact me to start learning, whatever your age or level.